Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F54 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off its location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now gray, which means that location is off. In order to turn it back on, tap on the same tile again. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and click on Location section. Then tap on this switcher at the top to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!